Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, for all of those who have subscribed. So today we are going to be achieving this color, in my hair. It's ginger blonde. So guys, these are the products that I'll be using today to achieve the ginger blonde color, and I'll be using the brand Creme of Nature to do that. As you can see, I have two boxes, and in these boxes we have intensive conditioner, hair color, the developer, and also the bleaching powder. So guys, I put on some gloves, and now I'm going to go ahead and mix the color into the developer. And one thing guys, I forgot to add in the clip where I put in the bleaching powder into all of this, and I had to shake it well. But guys, you have to be so careful with this because this stings. It really stings. So I'm going to give it a good shake, and then I'm going to go ahead and put petroleum jelly all over, not all over, around my head, so I can prep my skin. I really don't know what the petroleum jelly does, but I did it. So guys, after I was done putting the petroleum jelly all around my hair, as you can see, I have my hair into sections. It's maybe about 9 sections I have in my hair. I had braids prior to me bleaching my hair, so that's where I got the sections from, because I had some jumbo braids thanks to my friend Myrna from Glam Hair Fair. And I just went ahead and put in the bleach right on. Just put it right on. But guys, don't forget, never add bleach to the roots of your hair at first, because your roots tend to process faster than your ends, just because of the heat. So anyways, I'm not going to be adding any color to my roots, because I want that kind of grow out, and you know that. So guys, now I'm going to make y'all enjoy the music, and I'm just going to speed past this process, and when the hair is almost done, I will chat back with you guys. So guys, I had to come back and talk to you guys. You saw my facial expression. This stings. Remember I told you that in the beginning? This stings. So you have to be very careful. It was even burning my eyes. So guys, when you're doing this, you have to be very careful. So guys, now as you can see, I'm done with the whole head. I'm going to put this white plastic bag over my head so that it can, you know, trap the heat. I'll keep it on for 30 minutes and then I'll see you guys in the next 30 minutes. Bye. So guys, I'm back. My 30 minutes, you'll see it happened in a second for y'all. So that's the hair. I love to see the hair color. Okay guys, right now I'm going to go and rinse it out and I'll be back. I'm going to wash it and condition it. This conditioner they gave me, the intensive conditioning treatment. So guys, I went ahead and I put in I did a mask, sorry, and the mask I did was the moisture miracle. And you see that thing in front there, I don't like it, like it's too far back, so I'm going to be retouching my hair, not now but later on. So that's the hair, you see that. I actually love it. I had to color my hair and I had to color my hair red velvet, but I actually loved the color before I put the red velvet. So I'm going to rock this until I cannot rock it no more, until I feel like I don't like it again, and then I'm going to put the red. But but yeah, that's how it turned out, guys. I like it. That's the back. So yeah guys, so that's the back. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll be doing, it's a wash and go, and then you will see the end result. You will see this hair, this look actually. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Love you guys. See y'all in the next video. Bye.